we can simply rewrite this equation as 2 to the power of x plus 1 over 2 to the power of x is equal to 2 because of the negative exponent here. All right, so in this case we can substitute another variable for 2 to the power of x by saying let y be equal to 2 to the power of x, and this equation becomes y plus 1 over y, which is equal to 2. All right, so we can multiply through by y, and we'll multiply through by y. We can transform this equation and say this becomes y times y plus y times 1 over y, then 2 times y. When we do this, this equation gives us a quadratic equation which can be written as y squared plus 1 is equal to 2y. To arrange this equation, we can rearrange it to become y squared minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Now, to solve this particular equation, we can factorize by saying that this becomes y squared minus y plus 1. Okay, when we factorize this equation, we're going to get from the first two terms, we get y minus 1, then minus 1, then y minus 1, okay, is equal to 0. All right, so when we take the first and the middle term, we get y minus 1, and then y minus 1, okay, is equal to 0. So in reality, we can see that both values of y is going to give us 1. Okay, so y is equal to 1 in both cases. So the two values of y is equal to 1. So finally, since we know that y is equal to 1, how do we find the value of x? But remember that y is equal to 2 to the power of x. All right, so since y is equal to 1, we equate 1 to equal to 2 to the power of x. So we have 2 to the power of x is equal to 1. And this implies that 2 to the power of x is equal to 1 can be written as 2 to the power of 0. Okay, and then when we cancel out the 2's, we get that x is equal to 0. All right, so this is the value of x for this particular equation. When you substitute this into the equation, you are going to verify that this is indeed correct. All right, thank you for checking out the video, and I will see you in the next one.